guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a free video making software called LUMEN 5. We're going to be using this free software to create as a marketing tool to create free video Neolife supplements to advertise. A lot of people today watch a lot of videos, so for you to be able to market your product, it is good you know how to do product video advertisement, and that's what I'm going to show you today. As a Neolife distributor, you can do some product videos completely with a free online software. So let's go straight and start. So first, put in LUMEN 5 on your Google. Then it brings you to this page. Click on it, and then it takes you to the LUMEN 5 website. Here you're going to register a free account. Of course, you need to put in a password, and there are rules to the password. You need one lowercase character, one uppercase character, 8 characters minimum. You need your full name, your email, and of course your password. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is to click on login, and then you click again on login, and it takes you to this page. Before we start the video, I think we should first of all maybe look at what you'll be able to do with a free account of LUMEN 5. So if you scroll down here, you can see what you get with the free account. You don't pay anything. You can do unlimited videos. Of course, it will contain the watermark for LUMEN 5 because it's free, and the resolution is about 720p. So that's what I wanted you to see, that with LUMEN 5 you can do unlimited videos, and these are all other things you can do with LUMEN 5. Everything here you can do it with LUMEN 5. So it's a very, very good free online software that I can advise you to use. So you come back here to this page, click on new video, and so it takes you here where you will see a lot of templates that you can use to create your video. Click the arrow here to be able to see more templates, so that you'll be able to make a good decision on any one that you might want to choose. You can also scroll down and continue to look. If you see anything that you like, that you want to use to create your video, you choose that one. So take your time to look. Ensure that the one you are going to choose, you like it. So I've chosen that first one. Now see all the different kinds of video format you can make with LUMEN 5. Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Most of the social media, LUMEN 5 has it. It has you covered. So you can use it for any of these social media videos. But we are doing a YouTube video. We are going to be uploading this video on YouTube. So once we click on YouTube, it takes you to this page. Now, with LUMEN 5, you can also just put the URL of your blog, and it converts it to a video. That is the wonderful thing about it. You can, like for me now, I have put all the details of what I'm going to use to create this video. And this video has to do with Karl Marx, Neolife Karl Marx. That's the video, the supplement, Neolife supplements I want to be marketing. And I got all the information from the back office of my Neolife free online e-commerce store. So this is my back office of my Neolife store. I just click on CalMark, and once I click on CalMark, it takes me to this page. Once you scroll down, go to Fast Facts to take you to this page where you can, take all the information that you need to be able to make this video, short product video. As I said, this video is for me to market Neolife CalMark. So I will just choose for some, important information that I want to use and market it, and I'll place it here on my Google Doc. So what I'll do, I'll copy all the information that I've already placed here that I want to use for this my product video marketing, and I'll come right here to Lumen 5 and I will paste it. So once you've pasted all the words that you want for your video, you just scroll down, and then you can just click on convert to video. It's right at the bottom of this convert to video. Remember to tick use all AI to select the best sentences. Remember to tick that so that it can just summarize your sentences and then create your video slides for you. There, it has created slides for you. These are your video slides created automatically with Lumen 5. See how easy it is to create these slides. So all you need to do now is to work on each of your slides. You can preview it. As you see it. You can duplicate the slides if you want. You can delete it if you want. You can even add some sub-scenes if you want. You can leave a comment on each of the slides. You can swap the design. So for instance, if I click on swap design, it will open up different kinds of designs that you can change it with. Like if I want this one, I will just click on it and automatically it changes, as you can see. So it's quite easy, it's user friendly, it is beginner friendly, something that you can do, very fast. In fact, I like Lumen 5. I've tried other this thing, but Lumen 5 for me is one of the best. So you can remove the media also. Let's say I want something else behind this. I will just go to I think media, and then I will just write what I want, the kind of media I want there. I will just put something like let's say osteoporosis. I just want to see maybe some media. Then I'll click on I think I'll click on people. I want to see something that shows somebody suffering from pains due to osteoporosis, something like that. So once I do something like that, you find out that it will come up with different videos. So all I have to do is to look for the video I want, and I will just, put it there. Like, see the video that I put in there, I got it there. All I did was to just click on it, click on that, and then drag it there. And then you've changed the media behind. It's very simple. Then you can preview it. If it is too short, you can click here to increase it, increase the amount of seconds it will play. So that is how to essentially do it. So you go through each of the slides, change the media behind, do all you want, to change it. Look for something else like this one. Like, do you want to start now to prevent osteoporotic symptoms? I will change the media behind, put something else there. And if I want to change the fonts or the color of my text, It's quite easy. So once you click on it, you can increase the font of your text. You can change the color, you know. So you can do a lot with Lumen 5. It's quite easy. As long as you follow all the steps, you find out that it's quite easy for you to change a lot of things to come up with a beautiful product video. So I've changed the fonts of my write-up, as you can see it. Just play around with it until you get exactly what you want. I'm taking my time to do this so that you can create your own videos watching what I have done. So essentially we'll go through each of the slides and then we'll do all the adjustments that we want to make the video up to what we want it to be. So let me just create a few minutes and then work on the slides to optimize it. It's essentially the same thing as I showed you in the first two slides. Just go through the slides. Whatever you want to do, you can change it. You can increase the number of the time you want the slide to play. For instance, I've changed this particular slide. I've added a slide to it. I'll remove the words and put in my own words. And I want to put in something like introduction to Neolife Mark. Remember, it's Neolife Mark that we are marketing in this video. So I'll write something like introducing Neolife Mark. I want to change the color. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. Leave it like that to remain black like that. Okay, so you see the wordings has changed. Introducing Neolife Mark. Now let me put in a Mark picture there. I'll go to my desktop, upload the image I already have of Mark that I downloaded from my Neolife back office. So there it is. I will just open it and then I will just click on upload. It uploads it right here. Now I'll just lift it and I place it here, and that's it. So that's my Mark there. So let me do some other jobs on other slides and we'll be ready. So I've worked on my slides. All I want to do now is to preview all of them and ensure that I'm happy with all of them. So if there's anyone I need to increase the number of seconds, I increase it. If there's anyone I need to do any other changes, I do it. So it's good to just ensure that you preview everything. Make sure all your slides are okay. So now you're done. Let's put So once it has downloaded, you'll see it right there on your desktop. That is it right there. It has downloaded. I'll remove it and put it on my desktop, and then I'll be ready to upload it on my YouTube. So in my next video, I am actually going to show you how to upload this video on your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope you got something from this video. Remember to like it, to share it to people, and to also subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. See you in my next video.